Hello everyone, I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make money on Upwork as a beginner. So you have decided to do some freelancing. Well, Upwork is definitely one of the best platforms for persons that are new to freelancing, as not only is it easy to sign up, but it is also very popular and there are numerous jobs available. All you'll have to do is simply go over to the top right hand corner and tap on sign up, and from there you can sign up with your email address and create a password. But keep in mind, when signing up, I would recommend that you use a professional looking selfie, as you want to make a good first impression to clients. As you can see right here, all of these pics look professional, so you want to ensure that your profile pic looks professional. And I would also recommend that you visit profiles like these of some of the top persons on Upwork and see how their profile layout look, and copy it and try and improvise and add your own little twist on it so you can stand out. But as you can see right here, there are numerous jobs available on Upwork in numerous niches, and you don't have to worry about competition and that there's a lack of jobs. As you can see, all of these persons are in the proofreading niche, and you can see how many jobs each person has gotten. This person has gotten over 420 jobs, English to Vietnamese translation also. And you can see this person has gotten 75 jobs. This person has gotten 203 jobs. This person has gotten 89 jobs, and you can see right there. And also what I like with Upwork is you'll be able to set your fees. And you can see here, persons are not scared to pay a high fee. You can see this person charges $22 and this person charges $55, while this person charges $60. So it all depends on your level of skill. So as you upgrade your profile and you become even better with experience, you can change the amount that you charge and you'll be able to earn even more. So you can sign up and you could do proofreading if you want. You can also do translation. So let's say you're bilingual and you speak English and, for example, Chinese. You could sign up and you could be a translator. As you can see right here, this person is doing translation jobs and she's charging $45 per hour. And you can see numerous persons that are doing translation, Finnish to English. And you can see he's charging $30 and he has gotten over 100 jobs. But the most popular one I would say would definitely be English to Spanish or English to French. As you can see here, English to Spanish, this person has gotten over 409 jobs and they are charging $35 per hour. And you can see with all of the examples that I'm showing you, except this person, majority of them have a professional looking profile pic. So I don't know if you want to go the route of this person and use something funny to stand out. It's completely up to you, but you can see that majority of the persons on Upwork have a professional looking profile pic. So that's definitely a major plus. And as I said earlier, Upwork is definitely a good platform to sign up with as a complete beginner, as there are numerous jobs available and there are numerous niches that you can go in. As you can simply tap on find work, and from here you can sign in any niche you'd want. For example, if you should try out data entry, you can see persons that are making over $30,000 doing data entry. As you can see, this person charges $7 per hour and has made over $30,000. And you can see here, he's one of the top freelancers, and you can see the amount of jobs that he has done thus far. And this person is located in Pakistan. So the beauty about Upwork and overall with freelancing is you'll be able to do it from anywhere in the world. So it doesn't matter where you are. Once you have internet access, and majority of the skills that these persons are exhibiting and making money from, you can learn it online. So once you're willing to learn and you're willing to put in the time, you will be able to make money on Upwork. It may not start off with thousands of dollars from the first month or so, but you can gradually improve your skills and start making even more money. So it is not a get rich quick thing, but you can definitely make good money off Upwork, as you can see from the numerous examples that I'm showing you. And I've shown you numerous examples from 3 different niches, and each niche you can learn these stuff on the internet, on YouTube, as you're watching it right now. I hope you found this video helpful and that you decide to give Upwork a try, as you can definitely do that and you can start making some money.